So once again, may I request all the guests and dignitaries to kindly take your seats. And once again, I request everybody to keep wearing the mask at all time. Distinguished dignitaries, honorable guests, and members of the media, a very, very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Metro Brands Limited, we extend a very, very warm welcome to each and everyone present over here for taking out your precious time to gather here for this momentous occasion. Post the successful IPO, we are here to commemorate this joyous and significant milestone of the listing of Metro Brands Limited in the August portals of BSE. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin with the ceremony, I request everyone to kindly rise and shine for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. I request everyone to please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, Metro Brands Limited is one of the largest Indian footwear specialty retailers and among the aspirational Indian brands in the footwear category. Metro Brands, ladies and gentlemen, opened their first store under the Metro brand in Mumbai in 1955 and have since evolved into a one-stop shop for all footwear needs by retailing a wide range of branded products for the entire family and for every occasion, including casual and formal events. As of September 30th, 2021, Metro Brands operates 598 stores across 136 cities spread across 30 states and union territories in India. Metro Brands, ladies and gentlemen, has the third highest number of exclusive retail outlets in India. Ladies and gentlemen, today, on this very, very momentous occasion, we would like to welcome the various dignitaries who joined us today with a bouquet of flowers. So we would like to welcome all the dignitaries and the guests with a bouquet of flowers. So firstly, I would like to invite the management team and board of directors of Metro Brands Limited. So please put your hands together as I welcome Mr. Rafiq Malik, Chairman, Metro Brands Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Warm welcome to you, sir. Mr. Rafiq Malik, Chairman, Metro Brands Limited. Warm welcome to you. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Ms. Farah Malik, Managing Director, Metro Brands Limited. Warm welcome to you, ma'am. Please put your hands together for Ms. Alisha Malik, President, E-Commerce and Marketing, Metro Brands Limited. Let's put our hands together for Ms. Alisha. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Mr. Nissan Joseph, Chief Executive Officer, Metro Brands Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Mr. Kaushal Parekh, Chief Financial Officer, Metro Brands Limited. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Sohail Kamdar, Chief Operating Officer, Metro Brands Limited. Warm welcome to you. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Jay Prakash Desai from Metro Brands Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Mr. Utkarsh Sheikh from Metro Brands Limited. Warm welcome to you. Welcome to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we would also like to extend a warm welcome to the book running lead managers who played an integral part in the success of this IPO. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Ajay Saraf, Whole-time Director and Head of Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Ashish Kumbhat, Executive Director and Co-Head, ECM, Access Capital Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Please help me in inviting Mr. Vikas Khattar, Managing Director, Co-Head of Investment Banking and Head, Equity Capital Markets, Ambit Private Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Mr. Venkat Raghavan S., Managing Director and Head, ECM, Equirus Capital Private Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Dipesh Patoria, Executive Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. Thank you so much. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we will now commence this auspicious occasion by lighting of the ceremonial lamp, for which I request the management team of Metro Brands Limited to come forward. I request Mr. Rafiq Malik, Mrs. Aziza Malik, Ms. Farah Malik, Mr. Nizam Joseph, Ms. Alisha Malik, Mr. Kaushal Parikh, Mr. Sohail Kamdar, Mr. Jai Prakash Desai. We also request the members of the promoter family to please come forward for the lamp lighting. And we also request Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan to please come forward. Thank you. Thank you so much for doing the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tradition of a new and prosperous beginning of Metro Brands Limited. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, may I request Mr. Ajay Saraf, whole-time director and head of investment banking and institutional equities, ICICI Securities Limited, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Well, welcome to you, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Metro Brands and the book running lead managers to the issue, it's my immense pleasure to welcome you to this listing ceremony. We are privileged as an ICICI Securities to be having part of this journey to bring Metro Brands to the Indian capital markets. I would like to thank Rafiq Bhai, Farah, Alisa, everyone to give us this opportunity. Also, the RARE team, Utpal, Usma, Ragesh Bhai. Today, listing event marks a seminal moment in the journey of Metro Brands. As been said earlier, the first shop was started way back in 1950s. Now, the company has gone a long way to touch 598 physical touch points across 30 states and 136 cities in India today. Today, Metro Brands is one of the largest Indian footwear specialty retailers offering a wide range of local international brands at various price points for multiple occasions. The company has always followed a very disciplined financial discipline with a focus on the bottom line and followed an asset-light approach. This is reflected in one of the best margin profile and return ratio among its peers. Metro is led by industry veteran, Mr. Rafiq Bhai, with more than 6 decades of retail experience and ably supported by Farah and Alisa, and a very strong professional management team. The IPO, was of INR 1368 crores. The IPO received overall subscription of 2.6 times. And received a strong response from all categories of investors. The issue received response just not from DIs, but also FIIs, despite the volatile stock markets. Some of the blue chip and long-term focused investors who participated in the issue were ADIA, GSAM, ICICI Pru, SDFC MF, Kotak MF, Birla MF, SDFC Life, SBI Life, among others. This is a clearly testimony of investor belief in Metro's robust business model and financial discipline. On this auspicious and momentous occasion of listing, I would like to convey my best wishes to the company and the management for the success in coming years, and it starts in journey of creating value for all the new shareholders it has got in last 10 days. So all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for initiating the proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, now please help me in welcoming the man of the moment, Mr. Rafiq Malik, Chairman, Metro Brands Limited, to address this August gathering. Let's have a huge round of applause for him. Very, very warm welcome to you.
Good morning, and thank you all for joining us today for the listing ceremony of our company, Metro Brands. This has been a long journey which started with the independence of India when my father, who was a salesman in a shoe store in Mumbai, became an entrepreneur and started his own store. Today, we have our third generation in the business who, along with able professionals, are guiding the company into the future. I would first of all like to thank all the investors who have put their faith in us. We have always been a customer-centric company which believe in delighting our customers with our service. Going ahead, we will endeavor our best to delight our investors along with our customers. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all our bankers, our legal team, the Adfactors team, and our share registrars for their efforts to make this milestone possible. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Utpal Seth, and the entire RARE team who have guided and mentored us for over 15 years in this journey. Finally, I would like to thank my entire board of directors, the entire Metro team, my wife, my daughters, and my entire family, whose support has made this journey a success. Our company has spent over 7 decades getting people on their feet, and we look forward to participating in the exciting future of the Indian economy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for always motivating us and inspiring us. Ladies and gentlemen, now please help me in welcoming Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, PSE Limited, to please come forward and share a few words to this August gathering. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Shri Rafiq Malik, Chairman, Metro Brands. Sushri Farha Malik, Managing Director, Metro Brands. Shri Nishan Joseph, Chief Executive Officer, Metro Brands. Shri Ajay Sharaf, Shri Ashish Kumbhat, Shri Vikas Khattar, Shri Dharmesh Mehta, Shri Venkat Raman, Shri Patodia. Friends, good morning to all of you here at BSE's iconic International Convention Center to celebrate the equity listings of Metro Brands. Earlier, this hall used to be the trading floor of BSE, but now it is used as to host events such as today's listing. Most of the action of BSE, the world's fastest exchange with a speed of 6 microseconds and 10 times faster than any other exchange in India, happens at data centers just above this place, highlighting the transformation of the Indian capital markets. 1 out of 3 rupees Indians hold as wealth is now represented in this hall. Today, BSE is India's leading and most diverse exchange, providing efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products, including equities, debt, currencies, commodities, interest rates, mutual funds, insurance, agricultural commodities, and many more. Over the last 147 years, BSE has put forward its platform for over 9 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. The BSE platform is designed to provide liquidity and also to bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery for all the companies listed on itself. We are confident that by listing on BSE, Metro Brands will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base that we hope will support its business expansion plan. I congratulate the management of Metro Brands, its merchant bankers Axis Capital, Ambit, DAM Capital Advisors, Equirus, ICICI Securities, Motilal Oswal, everyone else involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in their business. BSE looks forward continue being Metro Brands' preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. Thank you very much for coming today morning.
Yes, I request you to please be on stage. As to commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have an exchange of mementos. So may I request Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan to present special mementos to our esteemed dignitaries, and to receive the memento from Metro Brands Limited, may I invite Mr. Rafiq Malik, Chairman, Metro Brands Limited. We'll be receiving a special memento from Sir. Now may I request Ms. Farah Malik, Managing Director, Metro Brands Limited, to please come on stage to receive memento from Sir. Warm welcome to you. Please put your hands together for Ms. Alisha Malik, President, E-Commerce and Marketing, Metro Brands Limited. Warm welcome to you, ma'am. Now may I request Mr. Nissan Joseph, Chief Executive Officer, Metro Brands Limited, to please come on stage. Thank you, sir. May I now request Mr. Kaushal Parekh, Chief Financial Officer, Metro Brands Limited, to please come forward. Warm welcome to you. Now may I request Mr. Sohail Kamdar, Chief Operating Officer, Metro Brands Limited, to please come forward. Now may I request Mr. Jai Prakash Desai from Metro Brands Limited to please come forward. And now the book running lead managers, may I request Mr. Ajay Saraf from ICICI Securities Limited to please come forward. Now may I request Mr. Ashish Kumbhat from Axis Capital Limited to please come forward. Warm welcome, sir. Now may I request Mr. Vikas Khattar from Ambit Private Limited to please come forward. Now may I request Mr. Dharmesh Mehta from DAM Capital Advisors Limited to please come forward. Warm welcome to you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Venkat Raghavan S. from Equirus Capital Private Limited to please come forward. And now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Dipesh Patoria from Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited to please come on stage. Now may I request Mr. Chauhan to please be on stage. And with that, I would like to invite Ms. Farah Malik Bhanji to present special memento to Mr. Chauhan. Thank you, Mr. Chauhan, for doing the honors. And I request Ms. Farah to please be on stage. And now may I request Mr. Ajay Saraf, whole-time Director and Head of Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities, to please come forward to receive the memento from ma'am. Now may I request Mr. Ashish Kumbhat from Axis Capital Limited to please come forward. Now may I request Mr. Vikas Khattar from Ambit Private Limited to please come forward. Now I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Dharmesh Mehta from DAM Capital Advisors Limited to please come forward. Now may I request Mr. Venkat Raghavan S. from Equirus Capital Private Limited to please come forward. Now may I request Mr. Dipesh Patoria from Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited to please come forward. Now may I request a representative from Tri-Legal, legal counsel to the company to please come forward. Warm welcome to you, ma'am. Now may I request a representative from Khaitan & Co. Legal Counsel to the BRLMs to please come forward. Warm welcome to you. Now may I request Mr. Madan Bahal from Ad Factors Advertising and Ad Factors PR, communications partner to the offer, to please come forward. Warm welcome to you, sir. Now may I request a representative from Deloitte Haskins and Sells, statutory auditor to the company, to please come forward. Right. Moving forward, may I request a representative from Link Inktime India Private Limited, registrar, to please come forward. Warm welcome to you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Sarfaraz from Print Trade to please come forward. Right. Moving on. Thank you so much, ma'am, for doing the honors. Thank you. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to acknowledge Special Purpose International Legal Counsel to the BRLMs, Hogan, Lovells, Lee and Lee, for their great contribution in making this IPO a success. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, also request all the guests and dignitaries to please keep wearing your mask at all time. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, now I would like to call upon Mr. Ashish Kumbhat, Executive Director and Co-Head, ECM Axis Capital Limited, to say a few words. Warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much. Most welcome to all the dignitaries here. I think Metro doesn't need any introduction. It's a part and parcel of all of us on everyday basis. But let me just share a tidbits of offering since the time we started working on. I don't know how many sessions with Farha, Ushma, Utpal Bhai we had. It's a 3-year-long journey. And for a surprise, where most of the companies today, we see promoters holding in 10 to 15%, we took 3-year-long time to decide on who will contribute to this 10%. That's the testimony to the company which has been created by Rafiq Bhai. Thanks to Rafiq Bhai, management team, Farha, Alicia, and Kaushal, Nissan, everybody, for being available for all the time across all investor meetings. And I hope you continue the same vigor to manage investors' expectation going forward as well. Thank you again to everyone and giving us the opportunity, especially the RARE team, Utpal Bhai, Rakesh Bhai, Ushma, for trusting us with this job. It took us a long time and for right reason, but yeah, we are here on this day. Before closing on the speech, I would like to say a few lines in a non-traditional way, especially for Rafiq Bhai. यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है. पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बनाया आशियाना तो बोली, पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बनाया आशियाना तो बोली, भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना होता है. Thank you and all the best.
May now call upon Mr. Nissan Joseph, Chief Executive Officer, Metro Brands Limited, to present the vote of thanks.
With the clock counting down, I'm going to try and do this fast, though there's many people to be thanked. They say it takes a village to raise a child, and Metro has been no exception. And the village that's raised this child has to start with the Malik family, with Rafiq and Aziza over many, many years. And then, of course, the daughters of Farah, Alicia, Zia, Zara, and Sabina. I'm sure the contributions were immense to raise this child. And our board of directors who have been nurturing us over the last many, many years with their guidance. Utpal and many of them are here today, and we appreciate your work. The BRLMs that took the army to launch and bring us here today: ICICI Securities, Axis Capital, Ambit, DAM Capital, Aquarius Capital, and Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors. I do want to thank the Bombay Stock Exchange and Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan for hosting us here this morning and making this happen, and our legal team of Tri-Legal and Kaithan and Company, and Ad Factors for bringing this together. And last but not least of all, our 4,000 plus employees of Metro Brands that have worked tirelessly to get us to this day. Thank you all.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll quickly invite the following dignitaries. Mr. Rafiq Malik is here, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Mrs. Aziza Malik, Ms. Farah Malik, Panji, Mr. Nissan Joseph, Ms. Alisha Malik, Mr. Kaushal Parekh, Mr. Sohail Kamdar, Mr. Jai Prakash Desai. Request all these dignitaries to please come forward. Just few seconds to the very, very historic moment, ladies and gentlemen, and just 10 seconds to the listing. We'll have a fantastic countdown. So I request all the guests and dignitaries also to please take your seats as the videography is on. I request all the guests to please, please, please take your seats. It's a kind request. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hearty, hearty congratulations to Metro Brands Limited, which is now officially listed on BSE Limited. Yes, let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, once again. And with that, we are grateful to BSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, members of the board, family and friends, well-wishers, and everyone who could join us for this momentous occasion. Thank you once again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be having the photo op. So I'll be requesting people to come in. Should I start? The promoter family.
The promoter family is already on stage.
Okay, so we can have one photo op after they are done, and then we'll call all these separately. So we then, after promoter family and Metro ECM members to be on stage. And then Alicia Nana has given this.
Okay, next, so we can just say,
Yeah.
I'll kick them off. Oops. Now the family is on stage. Actually,
Yes. Yes. Yes, can we have the yes, we can have the photo op of the promoter family. Thank you. Now may I request the Metro ECM members to please come on stage. The Metro ECM members to please be on. Yes, the Metro ECM members to please come on stage for a photo op, please.
Amir, come on. Amir. Ashish, come. Where's Raj? Raj. Nandini.
We're just having a quick photo op, so we request everyone to please be here.
Go bang the bell.
Thank you. Now may I request the Metro office staff to please come on stage. The Metro office staff. Because whoever has any direction has to do. It's okay, no? It's okay. Yeah, okay, okay. All right. Sure. And after this, we'll be inviting the BRLMs to have a picture. So request the BRLMs to please be ready for the photo op. Yes. Post this picture, we'll have the picture, that is a photo op with the BRLMs. So may I request all the BRLMs to please be ready.